Hey, this is Brent with Vintage Statements, and today we've got a client's 9-drawer French dresser that we're going to redo. In fact, I even have the mirror frame that we're going to redo. Now, the client didn't leave the hardware, so we don't have anything to really take apart. We know it's going to be pink, so we're going to sand this piece down and get it prepped to be painted. So follow along as we take the steps of sanding, wiping it out, and getting this thing painted.
So it's all sanded. Now we are going to go ahead and get the first layer of paint on. Our clients picked out a beautiful pink for their nursery. So let's get started.
Alright, the pink is on. Now we can start our clear coat. So we have our Dixie Belle clear coat flat that we use quite a bit, and our Dixie Belle paintbrush. As you can see, I've used this quite a bit. These things have held up so well. I'm really glad that we got these Dixie Belle paintbrushes. So next, let's start painting the clear coat on. Really easy process. We're going to start at the top, work our way down. Follow along. Complete. We don't have the hardware. The client actually has the hardware, so we're going to take our pictures and do everything without the hardware on it. But as you can see, it came out really nice. I like this light pink color and always the French style. Can't beat that. If you like this and many of our other projects, subscribe to our channel. Give us some likes. We love those thumbs up. And follow us on Instagram and Facebook. We'll see you for our next project.